Okay, so this leak has been out for a couple of days, but I just caught up with it, and wow, it's worth talking about. Today, we're diving into the update on DJI's O4 Air Unit Pro, including that all-important February 2025 release window. Let's get into it. If you missed the earlier leaks, here's a quick recap. The O4 Air Unit Pro is expected to feature a dual antenna design, a noticeable cooling system, and a refined camera module, rumored to sport a 1/1.3-inch sensor with an f2.0 aperture. That's a nice upgrade. But honestly, the specs aren't the big story anymore. It's the timeline. February isn't that far off, and the anticipation is real. Now, about the Pro label. It's easy to miss on the retail box. You have to look at the processing module to spot it. Whether that's a deliberate move, or just DJI being subtle, it's got everyone guessing what else might be in store. And don't forget, DJI is going for a two-model strategy here. The Pro version may land around $210, is aimed at pros and filmmakers, while the $120 standard model is for hobbyists. That dual approach means there's something for everyone in the O4 lineup. Plus, we're expecting seamless compatibility with DJI's Goggles N3 and a wide range of drones. All signs point to February being a big month for DJI and for the FPV community. So, what do you think? Does February 2025 feel like the right time for DJI to drop this? Or are they cutting it too close to other FPV system releases? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more such content. Catch you in the next one.